We pick up with psychological health and recommendation number 2. Limit alcohol to not more than 7 servings per week. The evidence for this is a large clinical trial showing that any consumption of alcohol beyond 7 servings per week confers an increase in premature death. A serving consists of 12 ounces of beer, 5 ounces of wine, or 1 ounce a shot of spirits. What I personally do is drink 1 glass of red wine with dinner every night. That's 7 servings. And I buy all my red wine at Trader Joe's, and I set a price limit of not more than $4.99 per bottle. And you'd be surprised, I can walk away with, well, I only buy 12 at a time, but I have to winnow down the selection because there's over 20 red wines I can find that are under $5. Now, some people ask, does it have to be red wine? Is any alcohol okay? The evidence for the harms and benefits of red wine in terms of premature death versus life prolongation is for the amount of wine, regardless of which type. So the most important thing is to get your total to 7 or less. If you want to get varsity on me, then definitely there is some evidence that red wine of the different alcohols is maybe particularly beneficial because of resveratrol in the skin of the red grapes. If you also, along with that varsity level alcohol consumption consideration, I personally would avoid beer because of its effect on developing abdominal adiposity, which is belly fat. Belly fat is particularly risky for heart disease and development of diabetes. So the first most important thing is that you limit your total to not more than 7. And if you want to split hairs, then go for red wine over beer or other sweetened cocktails. So a lot of my patients, they drink sometimes throughout the week and then they binge drink on the weekend. A lot of patients in their 20s. And when I tell them how would they cut back to 7, their go-to answer is to cut out the drinking in moderation and just binge twice a week or once a week, which to me is not ideal. Drinking in moderation throughout the week with food is probably the best way to go, but it's a step in the right direction because anything that gets you to not exceed your limit of 7 is better than exceeding that limit. Thank you for listening to this video, and good luck in reducing your alcohol consumption. I wish you the best.